Hello, today we will show you how to use and reset the combination lock. First, you can see a notch there. Rotate the hook 90 degrees anti-clockwise and press the hook into the lock. Keep it steady and rotate it another 90 degrees and the lock can be set now. For example, I want to set 4-9. Now the new combination is activated. The original one doesn't work anymore. And here are some tips about how to solve the original combination doesn't work. If the 4-0 doesn't work, you can try 1-0-0-0 or 3-0-1. And please make sure the numbers are exactly aligned with the arrow. Thanks for watching and wish you have a good day.